So when you picture ancient Romans, you probably have a very specific image in mind, right?
Yeah, probably a guy like Emperor Augustus. Powerful, stern, and of course, totally clean-shaven.
But this look wasn't some random fashion choice. No, it was a very deliberate cultural statement.
Here's a surprise though. The earliest Romans, they were actually bearded, just like their neighbors.
So what changed? Well, the answer came from their famous rivals, the Greeks.
The whole trend pretty much started with one man, Alexander the Great, who was always clean-shaven.
His reasoning was purely tactical. A beard was basically a handle for your enemy in a fight.
Then, around 300 BCE, pro-barbers from Sicily showed up, making daily shaving a real possibility.
And pretty soon, a shaved face wasn't just a style, it was a powerful symbol of who you were.
It was a super simple way to tell a civilized Roman from a bearded barbarian.
That smooth face said you were sophisticated, wealthy, and a proper soldier of the Republic.
This guy made shaving every day the gold standard, a real status symbol for the elite.
A young man's first shave was a huge deal, a whole ceremony to mark his entry into manhood.
So for hundreds of years, from Augustus to Trajan, clean-shaven simply meant you were in charge.
Until this guy. In the 2nd century, Emperor Hadrian showed up and just grew a beard. He might have loved Greek culture, or maybe he was just hiding some scars. Either way, it was revolutionary.
And just like that, a new trend was born. For the next 150 years, most emperors had beards.
For intellectuals, beards got even more specific. Your beard style signaled what you believed in.
See, a Stoic's neat beard was way different from a cynic's messy one. It was basically a code. So you can see this whole cycle of trends, right? All driven by leaders, war, and ideas.
So in the end, Roman facial hair was a symbol of identity, politics, and personal branding.
Which kind of makes you wonder, what will historians say about our grooming habits one day?